Dom here from Essential RC, about to do a main flight on the OMP Hobby Edge 540 74-inch. I think they do the Edge 540 in a number of sizes, but this is kind of mid-range. We've flown the smaller one, great fun to fly, and Darren at iActiveRC.com sorted us out. I think it's .com, not .co.uk, but try both. But he sorted me out with this. So this runs on a 12-cell power system that he provided, so should fly really, really well. Probably would fly better in Finn's hands, who's behind the camera, but he doesn't have his aerobatic machine here today. But I'm just going to put this through some basic aerobatics after trimming it out. Let's see how it flies. That got in the air quick.
Yeah.
Just trim out. That's low rates.
I was going to say, it rolls fast.
Wow, it whips it around, doesn't it?
Man, that looks so much fun.
For a maiden flight, I thought that was alright. What do you think, Finn?
I think it's pretty cool.
Yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. So it's a bit windy today, so I was a bit careful with it, but trimmed it out for level flight as good as possible, and threw a few aerobatics. But I think in the future I'm going to have to put it in young Finn's hands to show us some knife edge spins and stuff like that. Oh, you're going to have to teach me how to do it, Finn.
Yeah.
One or the other.
You going to teach him?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, he can.
Yeah,
He's
I'm
got
sure.
to teach an old dog how to do new tricks.
I was going to say it, but I thought, yeah, I better not.
So there you go, that's the OMP Hobby Edge 540. Lots of fun, even on a windy day like today, running on 12S 4000 packs. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye, adios.
Adios.
Adios. Brilliant. That was good.
Yeah, it looked like it's flying really well.
Ooh.